Hello? What? You're kidding me. I don't have to work today because there's too much snow here in Whistler. Sweet! Thanks for the call, man. See you later. Hey, riding today? Sweet. You at the top? Okay, see you there. Single, looking for a single. Any singles out there? Give you me?
Sometimes, baby, it's all I need. I'm from lonely highways and over. A steady rumble, my only call. I shift her down, I wanna take it to the wall. Stay pushing, baby, after all. She says the night is filled with fantasy. I say this dream will set my demon free. Time will tell what this strange life it holds for me. Just pedal down. Try to breathe. The air is dark tonight, the sky opens up. Clouds push on by, the wind and wishes them good luck. My heart is racing and I try to shut it up, but I got it bad, it's pretty rough. She says the night is filled with fantasy. I see this dream will set my demon free. Time will tell what this strange life it holds for me. Push the pedal down. Try to breathe. High and mighty moon watching from above. Stars crowd around, but they're trying not
And I
to
went
show.
off this 80-foot cliff and I stuck it clean.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
It was unbelievable.
Wow.
You guys just hang on a second. I think my phone is ringing. Hello? Buddy, where were you, man? What an amazing day I had today. And we're doing it all over again tomorrow. Dusty Saturday, GLC Sunday, so you better be ready. Hold on a sec, I just gotta take care of some business. Cheers, guys.
Cheers!
I gotta go.